Hey guys, Tim with Little Crow Gunworks. Welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm out on the range today and just got done shooting the 300 PRC, and now I'm getting ready to shoot this ladder test I've been telling you guys about for the poor man's PPC with the Burger 87 grain VLD and the 3 different powders, LT30, N130, and N133. And recently got back from our first, and I got put, I don't know, 600 rounds through this thing, so it probably has 800-900 rounds on the barrel. And I got back, gave it a good thorough scrub, and I thought I'd come out and shoot this ladder test, but I wanted to follow the barrel in, so I took my pet load. I had 7 rounds of the old lot of powder, and I got 7 rounds left of a new lot. I'm transitioning to a new lot, so I had 7 shots of each, and I wanted to burn them all up to completely empty this box, but then also just follow the barrel in and see how the pet load's performing now that it's got 900 rounds on the barrel. So for those of you that aren't familiar with this project, this is a Savage, I think it's a Model 10 Action Excalibur straight taper barrel, 28-inch barrel, 9 twist. I think it's a 6 groove factory Accutrigger that has not been touched. It's probably 3 pounds or more maybe. MDT XRS chassis, MDT Gen 2 10-round magazine, Little Crow Gunworks, our XRS bag rider that we came out with. And we got an Athlon Cronus on there. I think it's a 4.5 to 29. But I just wanted to show you guys this quick and do a quick little video because I was getting ready to shoot a longer format video in a new format that we're doing using our camera. I'm gonna try, and I thought, well, I don't need to record me just following the barrel because we're here to do that ladder testing. I thought, well, I can just follow the barrel off camera and then you know, set up and shoot the ladder test, record all that, and away we go. But trying to just follow the barrel in here with the pet load, first 7 shots shot pretty darn good, so I just want to show you guys that. And for those of you that aren't familiar with the project, this is range pickup brass that I found on the ground at this range. I went through who knows how many different rifles. It's all federal head stamp, but that's about as much as I sorted it. We're using a 70 grain Speer TNT, Ginex SRP Primer, and VihtaVuori Powder. And this first shot I had crossed off because it was from something else, but not too bad. 7-shot group, squeaky clean barrel, range pickup brass. These are 1/2-inch dots. I zeroed the calipers on a 243 bullet before I walked down here. So see if I can do this while I'm holding the phone. But so because we zeroed it on a bullet, we'll measure outside to outside. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do this around the camera at the same time. So that way it's a 404. And this way, can't really see it because of the shadow, but I can see it. That's about right. 469. So 7-shot group, range pickup brass, 469 on a squeaky clean barrel. So not too shabby. Just wanted to show you guys that quick. I was like, well, this thing didn't need many shots to get back in order, but anybody's interested in one of these, we got some that are being built for guys all across the country. So if you're interested, give us a call. Like, subscribe, share with your buddies, all that good stuff. We'll see you on the next one. Let's get this ladder test done.